Hey friends, I'm here taking a look at a new purchase. Got the new Klein ratcheting screwdriver. I've been excited to try this thing out. I've been on a ratcheting screwdriver kick lately. So you can see the bits it comes with there. Even have their not ACX bits, but I'm curious about the mechanism here. All right, so this is kind of the more common way, where to the right is actually backing off, to the left is driving, and it has a fixed position. A little bit of play there, not terrible. Uses double-sided bits, which we're accustomed to from Klein, and we can see the little carousel there. Curious, I haven't seen the Klein. Well, those are in there pretty good. Haven't seen the Klein versions of these. Yeah, basically it's just a square drive with a flathead, so nothing too fancy. Those clips are pretty stout. That's the first thing I'm noticing here. But this moves pretty smoothly. It's nice. So comparison with my favorite, which is the Vessel. It's actually pretty close in terms of teeth. They're not quite as pronounced if you listen to the difference there. A little further apart. But yeah, I like it. This is not... It's kind of faceted, got some flats, kind of octagonal, but pretty rounded off. So I guess that would make it so you don't, catch it while you're driving it and accidentally flip it. That doesn't seem like it would bounce around too easily either. It's pretty secure. Anyway, I will use it for a bit and then come back and share my thoughts. But so far, I like it. I think I like this. It's probably in the same ballpark as the Milwaukee in terms of strength and whatnot. This is more of a fine-tuned instrument here, the Vessel. This, I think, would do a little bit better gearing wise for heavier use. So just my first impressions here. So 15-in-1, so we got 15 bits, and then obviously the nut driver. I love how they add that to the list. So there you go, the 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver from Klein.